TikTok as a business. Being a top news with two biggest scandals, for example, spying and human rights abuse, equal to Trump's impeachment and Brexit talks, the both related to China's political regime, this social media is a rewriting the world, as John Herman said in the New York Times article. How did TikTok manage to change the whole perception of how social network really works? And why it could be important for you guys who are watching my channel. Introduced initially as a musically platform for singing and dancing for very young users, it grew up in one of the most powerful applications. The most unique thing about it that it's a Chinese-based social platform and it's became very popular in Western world. It has been downloaded this year about 200 million times by the end of November. What is the secret of its popularity? Today I will analyze the case of rapid growth from a narrowly musically focused application in enormous and powerful social media platform. I will compare TikTok with other social giants and dive into its unique business approaches to find the recipe of its fast success. Hello everybody, my name is Dmitry Bonder. I'm a CEO and founder of educational business in Europe, in United States and many other countries. Here I share my own experience of earning the first million, giving you insights and practical advice on how and where to become an entrepreneur. This channel is a good guide to make a right choice on being among that 1% who give jobs to another 99%. TikTok's parent company named ByteDance has been valued $75 billion to list as a public offer in Hong Kong in the first quarter of 2019. Its revenue reached $9 billion for the first half of 2019 according to the Financial Times. ByteDance bought Musical.ly, a former TikTok platform, in 2017. In just 2 years, it did not only rename the platform, it has made a real teenager craze all over the world. What are the biggest features of TikTok that differentiate it from YouTube, Twitter or Facebook? First, it focuses on a Generation Z users, teenagers who are more virtually citizens than real life users. They live 90% of their lives in a virtual reality where artificial intelligence can be their only friend for most of the day. And TikTok is more about how Generation Z interacts with each other. And today I would like to invite a representative of Generation Z. So please welcome on my business channel a representative of Generation Z, this lady. What is your name?
My name is Kate.
And this is my daughter, and she's a real representative of Generation Z. So let's ask Kate, why do you like TikTok, and what do you do with all your teammates in class, and why do you like this platform?
So I like TikTok because it lets you see different ways and also make different short videos that don't take a lot of time. As well as help you kind of connect with your friends and maybe sometimes even family. Like, you can make videos together, you can share them. It's really fun and really entertaining.
Why do you think that this platform is better than, let's say, Instagram or Facebook?
Well, I feel like on Instagram and Facebook you would have to spend some time to get a lot of likes and comments, but on TikTok, whatever you do and for how long you do it, you get followers and likes, and it's really easy to go famous on TikTok faster than on any other.
Is it hard for you to make a really cool video that a lot of your friends will be liking?
No, it's not really hard. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to make a short video. You can add music, you can make cool ideas for it, and also copy different ideas to make them better.
Great! I really appreciate your help as a representative of Generation Z. So let's go do your homework and do TikTok videos. Thank you. So that's why I invited my daughter Kate to answer your questions why TikTok is so popular for a representative of Generation Z. Second, the full automation makes TikTok algorithm unique, and this feature also allows TikTok to attract so many users so fast. The page named For You is what you will see first once you enter the platform. It will not be a smart tracking of you might want to be interested in, not your friend's feed. TikTok is more a machine than a man, and it doesn't interfere in your recent searches, views and publications to predict and make a read offer of what might interest you. Its feed is based on what is personally has watched or communicated or participated. That's why Generation Z likes this way of communication. It makes assumptions on your acted and demonstrated interest. It makes you act. The third reason why TikTok is so popular because TikTok offers the biggest number of features available for free to all its users. The wide range of options to shoot videos really impresses. Video, sound, special effects, duplications, interaction with other videos are all available to any user from the very start. Hashtags dispose much larger function than any other platform. They can group people around any activity made by any TikTok users. And the fourth, very important reason, the platform offers popularity and access to large audience once you enter it. It doesn't require to gain thousands of watchers before you will be easily accessed, like YouTube, for example. Using TikTok, you can fast find people who are interested in and do the same things, team them up and get a lot of friends and followers within your first day of use. For marketers and for companies, it's a really brilliant opportunity to get linked with large audience at once, if only they market something valuable to Generation Z, of course. And the last but not least, TikTok enters international markets due to its uncensored approach to what its users say about politics and nations. Maybe it's the only Asian social platform that ignores censorship. Now it cannot escape scandals because of that. Scandals make the application more popular and attractive. After it apologized for Feroza Aziz's video ban and reactivated her account, the US market and investors has given their eyes to the startup ready to go Hong Kong stock in the beginning of 2019, when the company will face its first public offering. Excuse me, I meant 2012, of course. What congregates all these features that makes TikTok's case unique, and what do you can learn from this case? Well, I will sum up the most valuable ones to learn from the case. First, it's a first Asian social platform that eyes Western and US audience, so try to do the same. Try to introduce your app or your product that will be addressed to many countries. Being first in this niche allowed, for example, TikTok gather users from all the world with zero competition. This approach has a huge threat, however, in facing ban in recent perspective by some Asian markets, but TikTok managers have chosen their direction already, so try to copy this approach. The second conclusion: equality of its users. No specific number of followers, listeners, watchers makes its users get access to all these features. Equality possibly is a key preference which catches all Generation Z audience to TikTok only. And the third conclusion: machine right algorithm that seems to be missing at first but allows its users to watch and even learn themselves. When asking what to shoot, its users get millions of topics and aspirations due to such approach. They feel they are given a direction and groups of the same-minded people, and I think it's a very good approach. So if you want to build really high popularity of your product, try to connect like-minded people around your product. The thread is in existence of some kind of control, but this control is what makes TikTok unique. Neither YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or Twitter offer you this option. Analyzing the case, I have came to a set of methods being classical in growing business. First, find a unique product or service. For example, TikTok, their users equality and for you algorithm. Second, being the first on the market. Try to be the first in some specific country and you will be successful. It's a classic example, but with its own history, which to be definitely continued on a Hong Kong stock in just a month, and first-line world news engaging TikTok in a more political and social scandals. Hope this video will be interesting for you and useful for analysis and application in your startup and in your business. Stay with my channel to see more videos, to learn how to start your business, how to finance it, get partners, and team up best experts. Press like, thumb up, and support me on a Patreon platform, and you will find the link in the description. And I promise you to make more and more video that will be helpful and will be interesting for you and for your business. Stay tuned and peace out.